Alright, man, thanks for tuning in to my videos here. We have a 2002 Club Car Diaz. The problem we were having is it would go forward, not reverse. This is the old one here, and what I done to determine if that was a problem or not. These are your forward and reverse wires here on the back of your board. I just took one from there, just flipped them around. I just put that wire there, that wire there, that wire there, flipped them, just flipped them around, and then in forward it ran reverse, but in reverse it ran forward. I mean, in reverse it wouldn't run nothing, but in forward it did go reverse because I flipped them, so it went backwards. So that let me know that it's not no wiring issue between the wires or nothing like that. It lets me know that something on the board here is messed up. Alright, man, stay tuned, man, for some more videos.